and Danielle are gonna run to the store real fast. We gotta go pick up some groceries for dinner.
What? But we can't be left here all alone.
It'll be fine. We got you guys a babysitter. She seems really nice and she'll be here any minute. So we gotta go. We'll be back. I love you. Bye, guys.
Bye. I wonder who the babysitter is. Allie said she's really nice, so I guess that's a good sign. Maybe she'll play toys with us. But do you remember our last babysitter, Chef Tommy? Yeah! Yeah, I remember. We turned him into a neighbor. Yeah. We cannot let that happen again. No. I think that's the babysitter. The babysitter's here! Yes! Exciting! Yes! Babysitter! Granny? Oh, Granny? Granny's our babysitter? Oh no!
Wait, who else, darling?
I'll tell you. You don't choose you as a babysitter? Why Granny? Where is she going? I don't know. Granny, where are you going?
This way, correct?
I don't know where you're supposed to be going. Going to our room.
What a mess. Get this place cleaned up right now.
But it's not even very messy. Yeah, we want to play outside. Yeah.
You're not leaving until this room is spotless. They won't be going anywhere until I say so. This will never do. Ah, that's better. Much better. Much, much, much better. First the keys. Aha. That'll work.
Finally, it's clean. Let's go swimming! It's locked. No, it's not. It is locked. Granny locked it. Oh, Granny! Let us out!
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is.
All right.
It's locked! Yeah! Where's Granny? Granny! She was just here! Yeah! Well, she's not here, so let's go swimming! Yeah! Guys, the door's all locked up! Oh no! How are we gonna get out to go swimming? I don't know!
This house.
Granny's right there! How are we gonna get outside? I don't know. I don't know either. I think that we have to find things to unlock this door without Granny knowing.
Those children won't go out to play.
Remember, she can hear really well, but she can't see. So you can go right in front of her and she can't see us. But be very quiet, okay?
Children.
I can see her in a reflection. Follow me into this room. Maybe check in every little nook and cranny. No.
I can hear you.
Guys, look. I found the scissors. Perfect. I found the scissors. Yes, but Granny's in the place where we Okay, I'm gonna go make sure she's not there.
You went in the loud echoing room. I can hear you.
Guys. Oh, she's right there. She's right there.
I can hear you.
Guys, this is our second day. What? Granny caught us once. We can't let her catch us again.
Well, look at this.
From now on, we need to find things and we need a distraction while one of us goes and gets us out of here.
Those children think they're smarter than me. I am the smartest.
Oh, good job.
No one can do anything. No one can go behind my back and try to sneak out of this house. No one. I am the best babysitter. Children! There were children in here. Children! Where'd you go? Children?
The scissors in here.
Savannah? Oh. You're not a child. You are a wall.
Any scissors or anything? Because we have to get the scissors first. Anything in the shower?
Children! Where did you go? Where did you go? You're trying to leave your own house when I'm babysitting you? That's against the babysitter rules. Don't you know? I've only been a babysitter for like 2 days. You can't get me fired.
We have to find more things. Guys, come on. Make sure if she's near us, distract her, make a noise and hurry and move.
Granny's a bit tired. Maybe I could just take a small little nap.
Guys, I found the scissors. Okay, you guys distract her.
It's so Nanny? And my granny. This feels like a trap, but I'm going after them anyway. Kids! Oh, kids! Oh, kids! Where are you going?
Yeah, I did it! The scissors. I know, I put those down there.
I may be blind, but this is cut. They're getting out. You can't get out. You're not allowed to leave.
Nothing in here.
Kids! But you really can't leave. You really aren't allowed to. It's against the rules of children. You're supposed to listen to. Oh, there's a child over there. There's a child. Where did he go? Where did he go?
Lizzy, distract her! No! I found it! Why didn't you get caught, Canyon? Guys, it's already day 3. We have to get out of here. We only found one thing. We need to trick her. Yeah, you guys distract. And no, I'm being with Savannah. Okay, me and you will look, and as you and Lizzy distract, okay? Okay, we're the best at that. I'm gonna see if she's out there, okay? When she was, Let's hear. Guys. Oh, I found a key.
Children, I can hear you whispering and talking. I may be blind and I may be not so smart, but I know you're in here. I'm coming for you. I'm coming.
Oh no, guys, we're already on day 4, and we've only gotten one thing undone. We have to get this done on this day. Our strategy is silent and no more distracting, okay? Silent.
I need a theme song.
I found something. I found an item. It's part of the door. Check in drawers. Remember, you gotta say silent.
Little kids.
Oh yeah, there's a closet in here. With drawers. Oh, I found the orange scissors. Oh, okay.
Kids, do you want to hear my song? My song is pretty legit. Granny! She's a pretty sick Nanny! And she's...
Okay, got it. Let's see. All right. Which way?
My hair's falling in front of my eyes all the time.
It worked. Guys.
What's wrong with the door?
We have to figure out where the last... We have one in my pocket. I'm gonna go check if the key stayed in the same spot. Oh, good, they did. Key stayed in the same spot.
What did they do?
Failed me.
How could you? Get off, get off, get off, get off, get off.
I don't think there's anything else in here.
Kids, you're in trouble. I never said you could cut my zebra tape. Oh, Granny's awesome. She's the best. Couches. How nice. You know, there was a time that I had a couch. But then I accidentally lit him on fire, so he was less good than I thought. Kids! I can hear you. I can hear you talking, and I can hear you walking, and I can hear you exploring your house, I guess. And I'm a slapper walker. Oh, that could have been really bad. That right there was literally half an inch away from my hip. Do you know how fragile these old lady hips are?
I have 2 of the items that we need. We just need Granny to move out of the way. I really need you guys to distract her, but make sure you don't get caught though.
Kids, you almost broke my hip. What'd you have to... Oh, that paper's still there. Good, good. Kids! Granny's having some troubles. She needs some help. Will you come and help her? Oh no! I'm falling! Ah! You better come help me!
And now it's all stuck to me.
Hello? Well, hi there, children. I got you! No!
5th day, last day? Day 5. Okay, we just need to find that last thing and get out of here. Make sure Granny's not right out there. I'm gonna make sure.
Well, by my calculations, I still can't see.
She was in that room right there. Okay, I have a feeling that it's somewhere out here. Let's check out here. I found the last thing. I found the noise machine.
Did they hit the door now? Did they hit the door?
Let's let her know that we're getting out of the house, right? Okay.
I could sense you. That was going to be really, really, really bad. Because I was coming at you quickly.
Bye, Granny! Bye! Yeah!
Great!
We got out of the house! That was crazy! Granny just locked us inside of our house! At least we're not out! Yeah, I'm glad that we got out of there. Yeah. I wonder what she's doing in the house right now. Me too. Allie, Daniell are home!
What's up, guys? What's Granny? Hey, guys. How was it?
Granny made us clean our room and she was
Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Calm down.
She was just babysitting you for an hour.
She couldn't have done that much damage.
Where is Granny? Did you leave her in the house?
Yeah, we did! Look, come on with us. We can show you proof. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, we gotta show you. Look, see, there's tape. There's no tape on the door. Where'd it go? Where are you? Wait, hold on, we have. Where'd the keys go? I don't know. I promise you she was here.
You guys are crazy.
Are you sure she was really here, or are you just being a little over dramatic?
Was she just like playing a game with you? Where even is she? Granny, where are you?
Granny!
Hey, Granny.
Granny, we're home.
Granny.
Guys, I don't see her anywhere.
I don't either. Where is she?
She's not here.
She was here. I promise you she was here. Yeah. You guys saw her? At least she's gone though. Yeah. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to